Hey guys, MacTechGenius here with the Blackvue Dashcam on the Tesla Model 3. I previously did a video showcasing the hardwire installed directly to the 12-volt battery, but due to the sophisticated battery management system on the 3, some have found an error message to resolve after some time. Hence, I decided to switch over to a battery system. The Blackvue Ultra battery has a 6000 mAh battery that can power the dashcam for around 24 hours. It has an all-new metal design and is definitely high quality and well built. Compared to its predecessor, the Ultimate has twice the battery capacity, and while it's longer and taller, the new pack is thinner. But unlike the PowerMagic battery, the Ultimate is a bit too big to fit inside the center console. The length and height is about the same as an iPhone 7 Plus. There are two options to power the battery. Either with the cigarette lighter plug, which draws 5 amps and fully charges the battery in about 80 minutes, or hardwired directly into the fuse that can support 9 amps, which will fully charge the battery in 40 minutes. I decided to use the 12-volt outlet located in the center console of the 3. Personally, I think this is the best power source option, as a cigarette lighter is designed for power draw. Tapping in somewhere else is somewhat risky, so I went for the cigarette lighter outlet, which is suffice for my needs. You can also daisy chain additional batteries using the expansion plug if 20 hours isn't suffice for your needs. For my needs and for most people, 24 hours is plenty. However, unlike the PowerMagic battery, the Ultimate lacks USB ports for hotspots. You can use a car charger, but this isn't very ideal. The battery also has Bluetooth, which works with the Blackvue Manager app, reporting insight. Since my car is off, the input is 0 volts, but even though my dashcam is currently being powered, the amp draw still shows 0. I presume this is due to the low power draw of the dashcam. I also have the battery capacity, which increases if I hooked up to an expansion battery. As soon as I open the door, the car turns on and the battery starts charging. My commute is about 30 minutes each way, which is enough to power the dashcam for the entire day. Here are some settings. I'm not sure what the parking mode timeout is. If anyone has info about this, please leave a comment below. I had Calibred Customs, who previously did my hardwire install, come back out and switch me over to the Ultimate battery. The battery is hooked up to the 12-volt cigarette lighter outlet in the center console, and the side panel can easily be pulled out, and there's just for the right amount of space to slide in the battery. This is the only visible wiring in the center console. I have no issues opening and closing it, and haven't lost any functionality. The wiring is tucked away under the rate switch, which goes to the battery. No cables are visible. From the battery, I also added a switch so I can turn off the dashcam when it's not needed, such as when I'm parked at the garage at home. This is so I don't unnecessarily deplete the battery, as I have enough cameras in my garage already. I have been using the battery for a few days and I've been very happy with it. It charges quickly and the battery life is great. I hope this is something that will last several years and won't suffer from any significant battery degradation. I plan on posting subsequent videos in the near future to provide my long-term evaluation. Please subscribe and stay tuned for new Blackvue and Tesla videos.